No, I'm saying. Yeah.
This is a CCCDB classic.
Why it smells so good? Nah, you just dripping for me, bro.
Knows they're gonna be successful one day. Like,
Thumbnail moment. This is thumbnail right here. Hope I don't fall on my days. Here we go again. You see, chat? Remember this little river I was following? So like, it goes all the way to here, and then look. We at an intersection. It's either go there, or go there. But look where the river ends up. We take a U-turn. We take a little U-turn, and then we end up here. And then the river just branches off to the river down there. Okay, that's nice, bro. I think I'm lost now. I don't know where I'm at right now. I checked the maps and there's no service. So chat, you guys gotta help me a bit. Should I either go A, back the way I came from, B, down this very suspicious path, C, down there, or D, where it's more lighter and I can see a bit further than I can right now? I don't know. You guys let me know. Hey man, I just hope I don't run into the Moose Man. You know who the Moose Man is. The Moose Man's coming for you.
Hey, look like you about to take us to find the Moose Man.
Who the hell is the Moose Man?
Nah, look at this though. Look at that though. Like, bro, it feels like it's gonna start thunderstorming in this bit. We finally found the light. We found the light. I can hear my echo. I think I conquered one of my fears. Going through a forest alone on a dark and stormy night. Well, it's a dark and stormy day, but same difference. Yo. Oh shit, you can't see me properly. But like, bro, I can't lie to you. That shit did not feel good. Nigga, I had to look behind me the whole time, bro. Had to look behind me the whole time. Even right now, I'm looking behind me. Bro, you don't know what's gonna pop up. You don't know if Pennywise in a thong is gonna pop up right behind you, bro. That shit's crazy. Bro, look how dirty my shoes are, bro. What the hell? Yeah, bro. I'm gonna have to reconsider doing this on a day like this, bro. Because look how rainy it is, bro. If I stayed out here for longer, my feet are gonna be knee depth in mud, bro. Like shit, look at this. Look at this, though. A whole lake. A whole river. Hope there's no alligators, though. If there's alligators, I'm running, bro. See you later, alligator. I know that wasn't funny. Don't flame me in the chat, please. Yo, chat. I'm over here reading the poster they put at the front or at the back of the park. I don't know what it is, though. You let me know. Like an information board, yeah. But, bro, I just realized that I didn't even walk for half of the park, bro. I walked from here. We started here and then walked until here. That's where we got the cross sections and all that. But then we decided to go straight and landed up here. So that's where we are at right now. And that river right there, that's the river down there, bro. I just showed you guys earlier. But like from here on, I'm going home, bro. I don't know what you think I'm gonna do, but I'm going home. I'm going home, bro. I'm going home. Cause ain't no way I'm walking the full length in this weather, bro. I'ma slip and fall into a river or something, bro. A cool little thumbnail. But other than that, bro, let's go. Let's go home, chat. Let's go home. Nobody. Like everything. We're going home. We are going home. We're going home. Oh, look, a squirrel, cause we are going home. Look at that squirrel. I don't think you guys can see it, but we are going home. Right now, we are going home. Yo, nah, like, look at this, though. We over the train tracks, chat. We over the train tracks. But yeah, let's go home, bro. Niggas do anything else but go home, bro. You think we should go home? Nah. Let's take a few flicks before we go home, though. Yeah? Shut the fuck up, don't ruin the moment. I'm so tired. And I should have it. Not me. I'm so tired of you. Me. Like me.
Bye. Have a great time.